Discover a selection of 15 innovative tools that can make tasks easier and more efficient. From unexpected solutions to clever designs, these tools are perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking to simplify their work in unique ways. All product links are listed in the description below. Steel TRI-DOLLY. The Steel TRI-DOLLY features 4 3-wheel casters, a lever, and 4 height extension pads. Its low-profile design allows it to slide under furniture with minimal clearance. Each caster is built for durability, supporting up to 130 pounds and offering 360-degree rotations for smooth maneuvering in tight spaces. Whether you're moving furniture or tackling renovations, the Ron Lap Furniture Dolly is an invaluable tool for making the job easier. FESTOOL Lever Clamp. The FESTOOL Lever Clamp provides one-handed clamping and release, offering convenience and saving time. It securely holds both flat and round workpieces with its vertical clamping ability, making it versatile for various shapes and materials. Designed for use with the MFT clamping system, it fits seamlessly with MFT3 multifunction tables or MW100 mobile workshops. Capable of clamping parts up to 80 millimeters in height, this clamp is essential for securely holding pieces in place during grinding, planing, drilling, or gluing, ensuring stability for all your projects. SEPARATOR Chamfer Plane. The SEPARATOR Chamfer Plane is ideal for creating smooth edges and precise bevels on different types of wood. With an adjustable cutting depth, it offers easy customization, while its horizontal and vertical bubble levels ensure accurate alignment. Designed for comfort, it fits comfortably in hand for ease of use. Its durable carbon steel blades maintain sharpness for lasting performance and are easy to disassemble and clean, making maintenance hassle-free. Whether you're working on finishing touches or detailed beveling, the SEPARATOR Chamfer Plane provides precision and efficiency. Reliable 1500 FR electric cutter. This compact yet powerful electric cutting knife easily slices through fabric up to 1 inch thick. The octagonal blade design allows smooth cutting from any angle, while the thin base plate ensures precise movement across materials. Safety is prioritized with protective blade guards on both the front and side. A standout feature is the built-in sharpener, keeping the blade sharp without manual maintenance. The reliable electric motor ensures consistent performance, even for more demanding cutting tasks. Smart Shield Nail Guard for wire and cable protection. The Smart Shield Nail Guard provides superior protection for wires and cables during renovations. Unlike traditional flat plates, this innovative cylindrical design shields wires from all angles, requiring only one Smart Shield for full coverage. This simplifies installation and prevents the bulging often caused by regular plates, ensuring drywall stays smooth and even. The Smart Shield maintains its shape during installation, avoiding warping issues common with standard protection plates. Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator XL. The Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator XL enhances your vacuum into a powerful 2-stage dust collection system. Utilizing centrifugal force, it captures up to 99% of dust and debris before reaching the vacuum filter, preserving airflow and extending filter life. With twice the airflow of traditional separators, it pairs well with modern high-powered vacuums. Installation is simple, with ports that fit most standard vacuum hoses, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. IMOUM Live Mini Chainsaw. The IMOUM Live Mini Chainsaw offers impressive cutting power, slicing through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds with its advanced brushless motor at a cutting speed of 26.2 feet per second. It has an automatic chain lubrication system, addressing previous oil leakage issues. Equipped with two 21-volt batteries, each providing 50 to 60 minutes of runtime, you can work continuously by swapping batteries, which are also compatible with Makita tools. For safety, the chainsaw includes a rotating shield, locking button, and ergonomic handle, only activating when both the safety button and switch are pressed, making it beginner-friendly. Drawer Installation Jig. The Drawer Installation Jig is perfect for both framed and frameless cabinets, featuring special stops and tabs for precise alignment. Its wide clamping area ensures secure placement while working, and its unique design allows for easy flipping, accommodating both cabinet rail and drawer installations. With a built-in level, you can quickly check for uneven cabinets, preventing future issues. 8 rubber pads prevent slipping and protect cabinet surfaces from scratches, making drawer installation smoother and more professional. STANLEY Folding Workbench. The STANLEY Folding Workbench is ideal for those needing a full-sized workstation that saves space when not in use. Its compact design folds to just 20 centimeters deep, but when opened, offers a sturdy 90 by 45 centimeters work surface. Wall-mounted, it provides a complete workstation with a perforated panel for organizing tools like screwdrivers and pliers. Installation is easy, with all brackets and screws included. The durable MDF surface supports up to 100 kilograms, ensuring long-lasting reliability. DALIN Power Tools Universal Set. The DALIN Power Tools Universal Set is an all-in-one solution, capable of replacing up to 12 different tools. Simply switch the attachments to handle various tasks, from assembling furniture to quick fixes. With 15 power levels, it provides precise control and includes a vacuum cleaner and LED light, all powered by an 18-volt battery for dependable performance. It even features a pump attachment for inflating tires or sports gear, making it a versatile, patented, and safety-certified tool set. New Master Drywall Sander, crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum, combines strength with ease of use. Its aluminum base, equipped with a rubber cushion, ensures smooth, even sanding while protecting floors. Sandpaper clamps hold the paper securely, eliminating the need for constant changes. A standout feature is its threaded design, allowing it to attach to an extension rod for easy sealing access. With a sanding surface of 9 3/8 inches by 3 1/4 inches, it's ideal for larger drywall tasks. Black & Decker Lopper Chainsaw. The Black & Decker Lopper chainsaw has a unique design with clamping jaws, working like oversized scissors to grab and cut branches in one simple motion. No more balancing the branch with one hand while sawing with the other. Powered by a 4.5 amp motor, it handles branches up to 10 centimeters in diameter, making it perfect for jobs too challenging for standard pruners, yet not worth a full-size chainsaw. A built-in metal guard protects the jaws, ensuring safe operation, and its compact, lightweight design helps reach difficult spots with ease. UNTWIST Tool V2. The UNTWIST Tool V2 is a compact, efficient tool for untangling wire pairs in Cat5e or Cat6 cables. Simply press a button and the rotating head quickly unravels and straightens the wire pairs. This versatile tool offers two methods for straightening: guiding wires through the top hole or using side grooves for precision. On a single charge, it can handle around 2,400 wire pairs, and it recharges fully in just 45 minutes. Lightweight and easy to use, the UNTWIST Tool V2 is an essential helper for anyone working with network cables. ONEMANA 2-in-1 brushless screw gun, powered by an 18-volt battery, is designed for tasks requiring rapid screw driving. With speeds up to 4,000 RPM, it's ideal for high-performance applications, accommodating screws from 1 to 2 1/8 inches in length. A standout feature is its screw guide, which prevents the tape from tangling during storage. Built with a durable aluminum auto-feed mechanism protected from dust, it ensures smooth operation and long-lasting performance. Compact and comfortable to handle, this tool is great for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. EZG Manufacturing PM1, AIR, and Grip Hog Vacuum. EZG Manufacturing offers lifters designed for efficient handling. The basic model can lift up to 34 kilograms, while the top model handles up to 109 kilograms. A T-handle provides precise control, helping to keep tiles and other items level. The stronger lifters come with an ergonomic figure-8 handle, making it suitable for two-person operation. Each lifter includes special attachments with memory foam elements for added support. According to EZG Manufacturing, these lifters reduce work time by up to 40%, which may explain the starting price of $634 for even the basic model. That's it for this video.